So I've installed one of our mobile builder themes. This one is called Sublime, and this is what it looks like when you install it. This is in the theme, a theme previewer here on a mobile device, so you don't even need a mobile device. The third thing I'm going to do is I am going to upload a logo, and I'm just going to grab this logo right here. So let's grab that logo and choose the file, and let's upload it. And then we just have to click Save Changes. So boom, we have their logo. Now we will probably want to change the background color to match that. So that's fine. We could just grab here and pick a color that we like, or if we know the color, we can just put the actual color in there and click Save Changes. Okay, perfect. So now we have the top. So we might want to even do a background color similar to this wood grain pattern here, so we can do that. So we just pick on Use Custom Background Color, and we select the color that we want to select here, and we click Save Changes. So far, so good. So now let's create some pages for those icons to make on their home page. So we just click on Pages here, and then we add like 3 new pages. So let's create the first page. And that page could be, we'll just call this one Menu, okay? And we won't put any content for now, but we will select Show and Home Page down here, and then we can either pick a pre-selected icon, or we can even enter in our own icon URL. In this case, I won't get fancy. I'll just pick one that exists right here, this exclamation point, and we're going to click Publish. And while that's publishing, let's create another one. In this case, we might call this one Hours, so hours of operation. And then we click Select and Show and Home Page, and we just pick this icon, click Publish. And then the final one here, we might say Location, and then we can say Show and Home Page. And for location, we can simply select this map here for the icon, or again, enter our own and click Publish. And now what have we already done? Well, if we go back over to our previewer and refresh this, ta-da, we got our icons, location, hours, and menu. Pretty simple, right? Okay, well, we can keep going on. Let's do something else. Over here on Eldon's Restaurant, they have this tagline, more than a meal, Eldon's Restaurant is an experience. So let's put the tagline here. And for this one, it's really simple. I'm just going to select Show Home Page Image, and I basically grabbed an image from their already existing web page, and then I just select that image that I saved and click Save Changes. Okay, more than a meal, Eldon's Restaurant is an experience. The other thing that we can do here is put a tap to call. Let me show you that. So all I got to do is upload an image, or if I already knew where an image was located at, I could use that. I'm just going to click Add New here. And these are the tap to calls that already come with this theme. And now that that's uploaded, we can actually use that. We can put that image in down here under Homepage Content below the icons. So I copied and pasted in some code there, and I'm going to click Save Changes. And now let's see what we got here. Okay, so let's go to Menu. And right now we have nothing that shows up in the menu here. That's fine. Let's put something there. So over here, let's look at their menu. We click on Menu here, and what do we get? Well, we got to click on another stupid menu here. And so they have appetizers, soups and salads, and main course. So check this out. Over on Menu here, I'm going to push this little mobile theme setup button. And in this case, I'm just going to click In-Page and Navigation. And then I can put the title, the URL, and even the icon optionally. But for this case, I'm just going to put in appetizers and click Insert there. And then we'll create another one. And this time we're going to do soups and salads. Click Insert. And then finally, we'll do one more. And this one is main course. So now we can just update that page, and if we go back over to Eldon's Restaurant and click on Menu here, you can see appetizers, soups and salads, and main course. Now I don't like the color here, and by the way, we can put these different icons, but we'll leave them the same for now. I don't like this color, so let me change this color, and we'll just go with some sort of dark brown. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's save those changes here, and now let's look at the menu again. Pretty good. I mean, we could do better, but that's good enough. So appetizers, soups and salads, and main course. Now let me show you another little trick here. Let's create that appetizers page, and then if we look over here, we can see what kind of appetizers they have. Beef tenderloin, this, that, this, and that. So basically I'm just going to copy all this over here and paste it into our appetizer page. So we just copied this and pasted it in here, and now let's click Publish. And now let's go look at what we publish. So we go to the settings here, and now under appetizers, if we click on this, you will see appetizers, and then it just basically shows the menu, and it's perfect and easy to read. And so if we go back to the home page and look at this, let me show you location. Now that's really slick. So at location, since we're using WordPress, we can use a plugin. So I've installed a plugin already, and I've generated